All right, got a couple more examples I would like to do on from 4.1, a couple word problems and just kind of little different formats of these questions that you will be asked. So example 3 that I have here on the screen says that Ian and Cassidy and Quincy and Dylan, they ate at a restaurant and they got their bill, and the bill was $36.50 without a tip. And the bill says that an 18% gratuity or a tip will be added to parties of 4 or more people. So we want to find the total cost of the meal and the tip. So they get the bill and it's $36.50, but they're not going to actually pay $36.50. They're going to pay $36.50 and then they're going to pay 18% of $36.50 on top of the $36.50. So that's how tips and taxes and anything you would add on to a sale price works. So the question that we're essentially asked, or that we would need to figure out here, is what is 18% of $36.50? Because there's the 18% that will be added to the bill, and the total bill is $36.50. So this is the question that we have to answer. We have to figure out, well, what is 18% of $36.50? And once again, once we have this, we're right back in a spot where we were with the first couple of examples on the other video, where we have to change these into a math equation. So what? Well, we don't know what, or what number is 18% of 3650. We don't know what number, so that what is going to be a variable. So here's the equation we're going to get. The what is the x. We don't know what number we're looking for. We don't know what that is. We're going to find that out. The is equals. The 18% is 0.18. That's converting, once again, a percent to a decimal. The of is multiply, and then the 3650 just stays as 3650. It's already a number as it is. So we essentially have this equation to solve. X equals 0.18 times 3650. Well, this seems relatively easier than the rest of them because our x is already alone. We just have to do this multiplication. And once again, I don't know what 0.18 times 3650 is right off the top of my head. I can maybe figure it out, but I'll just use a calculator to figure that out. So 0.18 times 3650 is 6.57. So x is equal to 6.57. This, however, is not our answer. We didn't want to know just the tip. We want to find the total cost. And once again, the total cost is the meal and the tip. Here's the meal, $36.50. Here's the tip, $6.57. So that's the amount of money they're going to pay extra on top of the $36.50. So what this means then is we're going to take that $36.50 plus the $6.57 and get $43.07. So their total bill is going to be $43.07. That's what they're going to leave behind, despite the fact that the bill said $36.50. They add on the 18% for the tip, and they pay $43.07. Another example, similar kind of idea here. We have a dishwasher that's normally $320, but it's on sale for 15% off. So now we're dealing with a sale, and we want to find what the sale price is. Well, it's regularly $320, and it's 15% off. So the question that we have to ask ourselves first is, what is 15% of $320? And we also have to make note of the sale price is the regular price minus the discount. So when you get a discount on things, a sale price, you're taking away. It's going to be less than the $320 or the normal cost. So we have to find out what this discount is. And that is the question I said before. What is 15% of $320? Whatever the 15% of $320 is going to be the discount. That's how much we're taking off of the $320. So what is 15% of $320? I don't know what 15% of $320 is off the top of my head, but I can figure it out by converting this to an equation. So I get this equation. The what number is the x. The is the equals. 15% as a decimal is 0.15. The of is the multiply, and the 320 is 320. And once again, just like the last example, we have 0.15 times 320. I don't know what that is. I'll take out my calculator and do that, and I get 48. So x is 48, but once again, that's not our answer. What this number means is that's how much the discount is, because 48 is 15% of 320, and that's how much the discount is. So we're taking that $48 off of the 320, because $48 is 15% of 320. So this is not our answer. What we have to do with this then is subtract that from 320. So we take our normal cost, the regular price, the regular price minus the amount of the discount. The discount was 1%. We had to convert to a dollar value, and that's what we got 48 from. And 320 minus 48 is $272. So if the dishwasher's on sale, regularly $320, you get 15% off, you will end up paying $272 for that dishwasher.